SurePayroll is an online payroll service that simplifies managing payroll for small businesses. Here's a beginner's guide on how to use SurePayroll. Create an account. Go to the SurePayroll website and sign up for an account. You will need to provide your business details such as your company name, industry, and EIN. Set up employee information. Add your employees by entering their personal details, tax information, pay rate, and any deductions. You can also set up direct deposit information for paying employees. Choose your payroll schedule. Decide how often you want to pay your employees. SurePayroll supports various pay frequencies. Run payroll. Once set up, running payroll is simple. Log in, select the employees you want to pay, and enter hours worked if needed. SurePayroll will automatically calculate wages, taxes, and deductions. Tax filing and payments. SurePayroll handles tax filings, including federal, state, and local taxes. They automatically calculate, withhold, and pay taxes for you. You will also receive tax filing reports. Generate reports. You can easily generate reports such as payroll summaries, tax filings, and year-end W-2 forms.